My name is Russell Breuninger with New Jersey Rescue Riders, and what I'm holding here is a standard trauma kit. This is a standard trauma kit that we happen to use in the motorcycle world, but it contains all trauma devices required for the program Stop the Bleed. So what we have here is we have a standard tourniquet, and this is a device that is used to stop any kind of arterial bleed, artery bleed from an extremity such as your arms and legs. In addition, we have, this is called a pressure bandage. This pressure bandage is designed to be applied to an extremity that's bleeding severely. So you would take this bandage, apply it over the wound, and wrap it as tightly as possible, and it will self-contain and remain on the arm or limb, whereby slowing down bleeding. The other device we have is hemostatic packing gauze. This is a special type of gauze that is impregnated with a chemical that when it comes in contact with blood, it rapidly helps the clotting process. So this is actually inserted into the wound. So if you have a bleed in the groin, armpit, or neck where a tourniquet cannot be used, this material is actually applied into the wound at the placement of the artery break. And once this is applied, you then use the pressure bandage to the best of your ability to hold it in place. These are trauma shears. These are very high-powered trauma shears that can cut through pretty much anything: leather, scuba gear, etc. In addition, I have 2 more tourniquets here. So in total, I have 3 tourniquets, pressure bandage, packing gauze, and I have gloves, of course, which obviously is extremely important to protect yourself. So this is a very basic Stop the Bleed trauma kit that both my wife and I have on us almost all the time. We have one for the car, we have one for my work van, both motorcycles, and that's it.